Yes. Yeah, what?
Yeah. Sometimes I'm forced to, but...
I think every girl love it.
Really?
But yeah, do you think so?
I've been conditioned to say yes. But nah, it is, yeah. It makes us feel closer to each other.
Yeah, I've been training him that for the past 1 year as well. Yeah, even just by a touch, it solidifies just being part of each other.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, it's very important.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yes.
Yes, but I don't do it.
And sometimes guys also very hard to do it after that.
Why?
The pressure.
Of what?
After you come ready, then after that, it takes effort one. Yes. You don't know one. Never mind.
Yes.
Yes, because
Hygiene? Kan?
Yes. Doctor advised so.
Yes.
No.
Yes. I would say yes because you're most relaxed when you wake up.
No? Aren't you most relaxed at night before you go to sleep?
No, you'll be stressed from work.
No, I'm just in the morning.
No. I say yes.
Okay, I say no.
I think yes, it works for us. Our baby
Yes.
was conceived during morning.
Yes.
Wow, betul lah this method.
No.
No. I don't know why.
I can tell you why. Because you still shoot inside, right? Don't tell me the water go inside. Aduh.
Yes. Prevent you. Yes, kan? In the water.
Boleh ke?
Tak, in the water dia prevent to get pregnant.
I mean like in the water is not wash your...
Yelah, that's why it's prevent you from getting pregnant. Yes.
Okay.
Always on alert. Alert.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Of course.
No.
Yes lah.
Are you always
No.
No. But there are ones that are better.
No.
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, what? Yeah, for guys, what? This is my need, okay?
The need is to connect.
Yeah, you get your connection, I get to finish.
Yes.
Serius ah?
Yeah.
Iku?
So you can accept halfway but without ending one.
Actually, I give her before. I mean, had once twins bananas and I gave her, but I'm just having fun.
No.
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 The answer is yes, only because we hear of it. I don't
Yes.
know how to look at it.
Yeah. Yeah. No, pass on thing from the elderly lah. Let's see, you know, the moment it's round, it's a girl, and then if it's sharper, it's boy. But apparently I was round, but came out a boy lah.
Not
No.
sure. I'm not sure about this.
I know some who are, so I think
Yeah,
it's not that hard to find lah.
But you say very few men are virgin, so you know more virgin men than non-virgin men.
But they won't tell you.
Oh, true? Oh, that's what I know.
Not sure. I don't know.
Yes, I really use a lot on my first pregnancy.
No.
Yeah, it's quite simple.
Would you like to share how simple it is?
From my understanding, it's just from the urine test for the pregnancy test. To use the urine, test it, dip it. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yes. It's quite simple. You just need to pee on that device.
So when I tahu macam, oh pregnancy kit test, you just pee and then you dapat result. Oh macam, wow senangnya. Okay.
Demonstrate a body touch for us.
Thank you, Clear
For sponsoring the video.
You have to bring down the nose.